My name is Lina Yamile Ramirez Giraldo. How many countries or cities have you been to so far? What once? I had been Peru once. I had visited Santa Marta many times and San Andres. The myth about the most unusual hole do you have in your life? I had in Alargader once. This was very rare. Was the best movie you had seen so far? The best movie I had seen so far, Vertigo, I like very much. Was the worst movie you had seen? The worst movie I had seen so far is Catwoman. It was boring. Had you met at Finnish piercing? I had never met unfinished people. I would like to meet Shakira. I loved the music had her. Was the best concert you had been to? The best concert I had ever been to is Carlos Vives. It is a Colombian singer. It was fantastic. Had you ever broken apart? Had you batted? I had never broken any part and not batted 10 good. Was the most dangerous sport or antibodied you have done? I had been diving once. It was terrible. Thank you.